Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining this channel for the first time, I would like you to click that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and also click the notification button so that you can get some notification when I upload new videos. So today I want you to come with me as I go shopping. Yeah, this is a shopping vlog. So I'm going to the Memorial Mall today. The weather has been cold. Yeah, but today it is sunny but cold. Yeah. So I'm out and about today. I'm here in the Memorial parking lot looking for a parking spot. I hope I get lucky and find a spot soon. Yeah, just keep driving until I get a spot to park. So I guess I'll go to the garage. Yeah, I finally found a place to park. Yeah, it gets really busy during the holidays here at the Memorial Mall. Yeah, so I have to go in now. See you guys later. That's 250. This is Dillard's, by the way. So this is Dillard's. It's quite expensive, but they have nice, decent clothes, dresses that you can wear to church. So I'm here today looking for some of those nice clothes. Like this skirt is beautiful. Something that is decent enough to wear to church. It's just that Dillard's is very expensive. But when there's sales, like they have 50% off, it's a
It's a
good time
beautiful
to shop
skirt.
at Dillard's. Yeah, there are a lot of nice clothes. Look at these dresses. And one thing about the clothes you get in Dillard's, they are long, you know, um, from the knee downwards, they go, below the knees, decent clothes like that, you know. Yeah, look at these dresses. Most of them, they are below the knee. Yeah, these are all beautiful dresses. Yeah, but look at that. Look at the price tag. Yeah, even though it's half price. This is a beautiful dress. I like it. Yeah, let me look around and see if I can get more. This is another beautiful one. And this is long also below the knees. I think it's ankle length or even below. Oh, but the back is open. That's another problem. Can't wear this to church. This is a nice dress made of lace. They have many colors. There's lemon green, a blue one, and black. That's nice too. It looks like the African laces. Guess how much this is? $123. So these are nice evening gowns, beautiful evening dresses. Oh, this Christmas tree is big. The big Christmas tree and reindeer. The mall is full today. A lot of people shopping, last minute shopping. It's busy. It's an Apple store. So I'm going to the section where they sell cooking utensils. Sometimes when there's sales, they have good stuff. Looking at these pots, these are beautiful pots. Yeah, sometimes you get good deals when they have sales. You just have to look for it. 180. Wow. Yes, so I'm done shopping and out of Macy's. I'm going back towards Dillard's where I parked, so I have to go through Dillard's again because I parked in the garage near Dillard's. It's free. Yes, so I'm back in my car, going back home. The sun is setting now. I have to get back on the road out of the mall. Yeah, the sun is setting. Yeah, it's been a good day, lovely day out today. And look at those lights. Wow, they're beautiful. Thanks once again for watching my video and subscribe to this channel uh, for the next upload. Be safe, remain blessed, and have a lovely and wonderful holidays. God bless you all. Bye.